Hello everybody. Today I'm just working on catching up on YouTube. I think I'm almost to the end of the list, and starting tomorrow, very early in the morning, I have 4 dentist appointments where they numb my mouth and do a deep cleaning on a quarter of my mouth at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be such a deep cleaning that I have to be numbed. I don't know if they're going to scrape all the way down to the tip of the root or what, but they said they want to clean underneath the gums as far as they can get. I expect to be pretty sore for the next 3 days after that, and then it is the 9th, 10th, and 11th, one appointment right after the other, and then the 4th one is on the 16th, so it starts tomorrow, and the first appointment is at 8:30 in the morning. I mean, I'm going to have to get up at 7 in the morning and take a shower and get ready and all that. And I want you to come with me because I do not like to drive under the influence of Novocaine. I've had to do that before and I feel very spaced out and weird. So you need to do the driving.
What have you been smoking?
You need to do the driving.
Yeah, I'll drive you up the fucking wall.
Okay then.
Yeah.
You already do.
Well, apparently you're not on the ceiling yet. So I'm not doing too good of a job, am I? Yeah.
Yeah, well, I don't want to be driving with my head all foggy and weird, because that's what Novocaine does to me. I've had to do that before. That's no fun.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, if you did it once, then that means you can do it again.
No, I didn't like it. I felt like I was driving drunk and I was gonna have an accident.
Oh, so you're a drunk driver, huh?
No, but Novocaine is real weird for me. I don't know if it affects me different than other people or what, but I feel very spaced out and out of it and dizzy and yucky.
Well, you're spaced out and dizzy.
Yeah, okay then. Spotted Leaf, you drinking that big 10 gallons of water?
Oh yeah.
Well, Don didn't put the boxes in the wood stove yet from Chewy, so White Storm's playing with them.
I did burn some of them yesterday.
Oh yeah, because there's only 2 boxes now and not 3.
And there ain't a full box of paper anymore either.
Yeah.
We're still trying to get to the point, where I gotta clean it out though.
Yeah. White Storm! White Storm! And then the fish are still doing good.
That needs to be the thing.
Yeah, we need to clean the tank and put some more of that stuff in there that makes the water clear. And the Placo is still in there, you just can't see him because he's hiding in his den he made himself. And there's the snail, one of the snails. And then over here we have the yellow female guppy and the neon tetras. And there's also a snail here somewhere. Yeah, I don't see it right now, but it's in there. Dinner tonight are those little healthy pizzas again with chicken breast and black olives and yellow peppers and onions and mushrooms and the cheese, pizza sauce. And this time I put jalapenos on. Don's doesn't have any black olives, but he surprised me and said he wanted some jalapenos, so we'll see how that goes. But they're about to go in the oven, and now it's out of the oven. And this will be delicious. They always are. would be. Dinner was absolutely delicious. Did you like yours with the jalapenos?
Yeah.
Not too hot for you? Of course, you were eating wasabi almonds.
Yeah.
But you complain about having an ulcer and not being able to handle hot food, but yet you eat hot food.
I like hot food, but it don't like me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that sucks.
Does it?
Yeah, because hot food is good. So I was totally and completely wrong. My first dentist appointment is not tomorrow, it's the next day. I was looking at the calendar wrong. So I have one more day where I don't have to worry about it, and then on Wednesday it starts. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then next Tuesday. Yeah. So, yuck. But it's not as soon as I thought it was. Come say hi, Tog. Everybody wants to see you. Good boy. And there's Smokey on the back of the chair. And White Storm. Oh, and Gray Stripe on the back of the other chair. I think Gizzard's in bed. And Spotted Leaf has been sleeping on the computer desk in the other room for some reason. Kitty's all over. But anyway, we're going to wrap up the night. So we're going to say goodnight, and we hope you enjoyed the video. And that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. Say goodnight.
Say good morning.
And we'll see you tomorrow.